I'm gonna be replacing the bridge off this bass that I built for my friend Tori a while back. So the first order of business is going to be removing the strings on this bass here. You're gonna be taking them off one by one like this. And I choose to just cut the ends off with these pliers here because I'm too lazy to remove them from these holes. But that's alright, just chuck the old strings in the garbage and move on with your life, alright? So you're gonna wanna make sure you got the right bit for this because if you don't, you're gonna strip the screws and you're in for a freaking nightmare, if you know what I mean. All right, so now that Tony's working with the proper shovel for digging this hole, we're gonna be taking these screws out one by one. Now that it's free, we can go ahead and chop this black wire that I previously soldered on there to ground the bridge. And we're gonna replace it with this new wire here. I'm just pounding a groove into the surface of the body of the bass. Wow, that was some freaking alliteration right there. All right, so we're gonna be putting the new bridge on here. I just put that tape there to hold the wire in place so that it doesn't move around when I screw it down. Okay, so one by one, I like to go with these screws. I'm going from end to end this time so that it goes down flat. I don't want to be cocking up an angle, you know what I mean? Oh, that looks beautiful. So my friend Torrance, he chose to go with these cobalt slinky flat wound bass strings. Really chooching. They're great. They're great. You know, they got a lot of high end, a lot of clarity. Gonna put them in the other side of the bass bridge. And then, screw these bad boys down into their respective holes. Tuning pegs. And there we go. We're done. Thanks for watching.